Well, before we get to weather and sports, a fire broke out this afternoon just before 2 o'clock. Getting word from the Inyo County Sheriff's Department that the most recent information, again, this was as of our press time this afternoon, the fire located approximately 1 mile from Keogh's Hot Spring. First word was about an acre. Big Pine volunteer fire department personnel on scene and then asked for assistance from Bishop. Voluntary evacuations in place for residents and visitors of the Keogh's residential area, RV park, and campground. We do know that US 395 was closed due to smoky conditions in the proximity of the fire, and we also heard information that US 395 northbound was also closed but has been reopened, and we'll try and get more information on that and pass it along to you on Sierra Wave FM as well as sierrawave.net. All right, let's go to the weather map. Sierra Wave media forecaster Dennis Mattinson noting that an upper low continues to slide south along the coast. He calls it a coastal hugger, and then over Southern California on Wednesday. There it remains stationary through Thursday, then inland over Baja. Dennis Mattinson says that he has some concern that it will entrail some tropical moisture in its counterclockwise circulation. I loves the weather talk. So isolated convection possible today. That was in Mono County. That low heads for Arizona Friday. Dry weather through the weekend. Low tonight into tomorrow morning for Mammoth, 45 degrees. Bishop and the Owens Valley right around 56 degrees. Mammoth, June, Mono County, Thursday. Sunny skies, southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, some gusts to 15. 73 the expected high in the town of Mammoth Lakes, low of about 45 degrees. That's just about the same forecast for Friday, except some gusts possible to 20-25 miles an hour, a little cooler at night. And Saturday for Mono County, mostly sunny skies, southwest winds 5 to 10, 73 the high in the town of Mammoth Lakes, low of about 44 degrees. For Bishop and the Owens Valley on Thursday, mostly sunny skies, southwest winds in the forecast 5 to 10 miles an hour, might see some gusts to 15 kicking up in the afternoon. 93 the high in Bishop, low of about 51 degrees. Sunny skies in the forecast for Friday, but some southwest winds 5 to 10, and again kicking up with some gusts, maybe 15 to 25 miles an hour Friday afternoon. 93 the high in Bishop, low of about 51 degrees. And for Saturday, mostly sunny skies for the Owens Valley, a northwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. 91 the expected high in Bishop, low of about 56 degrees. We've got some sports notes to talk about, including Ben Archularius. He has decided to resign his position as the head varsity coach at Bishop Union High School. Now, a press release from the Bishop Unified School District thanking Ben Archularius for his service and dedication to the student athletes of Bishop, saying Ben Archularius, an outstanding coach, mentor, and role model for young men on the basketball team, and they will miss him very much. Now, Ben Archularius, a fine player. He was actually a great shooter for the Broncos, won a league title as a player and a coach at Bishop. He began his coaching career at the JV level in 2001 and coached Bishop basketball teams for 12 years. Superintendent Barry Simpson said the district greatly appreciates his service and wishes him the best in his future pursuits. Archularius is the third Bishop varsity coach to resign in the last few months, along with baseball coach Tim Reed and golf coach Shirley Ono. And we've got the final two City of Bishop Community Service Department League champions for the Adult Softball League. 2014 Division men's champions Sweetwater went 9-1 in the regular season, and then a great championship game against McMurray's Sports Bar West Bishop, also a 9-1 record in the regular season. Sweetwater won the championship game 25-11. In the picture, Rosenda Dondero, Tanaya Howard, Joe Montoya, Brandon, Gabe Montoya, Frank Shoshone, Joe Moose, Aaron Dondero, Mike McDonald, Mike Mayo, and Elwin Lomantiwa. Also, we've got the A-League softball champions, Dondero Construction and Taxidermy. Hey, 11-0 during the regular season, won the A-League playoffs. Pictured, Rafael Villa, Danielle Dondero, Joe Montoya, Rosenda Dondero, Eloy Montoya, Aaron Dondero, Brad Weaver, Aaron Howard, Lynn Dondero, Tanaya Howard, Amara Keller, and Laura Turner. So congratulations. A lot of fun out there during the City of Bishop Adult Softball Leagues. That's going to wrap up news and information for us here on Sierra Wave TV. You know we're part of Sierra Wave Media. You can hear our radio station streaming on our website, sierrawave.net. Have a great evening, everybody.